All right, people, back again. Damn, it's really bright. Hold on, get out of the sun. Yeah, new spot, new day. I don't even know if, like, I hope I post this. But anyways, Bronco update. I'm not even sure if I had like any videos of the Bronco anyways on the channel. But yeah, Bronco. All right, 606 Bronco. This is Anthony's. Long going project. He's been busy. But anyways, it's in here. The transmission's on. He had to wait a really long time to get his exhaust manifold because he wanted some custom shit done to it, but ended up not getting the custom stuff done. There he is pulling up. The Bronco. But he's got the pump from Diesel Pump UK. I think it's a 7.7 millimeter. A 716.648 transmission. For now it's just gonna be 2-wheel drive, is what it is, such is life. And yeah, I guess I'll show you the turbocharger. I'll do a little comparison video on the manifolds later on. Yeah, let me shut this off. Anyways, here it is. I guess this is a Chinese HX35 or no, I don't know. It's a whole set. Decided we're gonna change this. He didn't realize it was a 2.5 to. I think he said that this was supposed to be 3, and it ended up being 2.5. So that's why there's these two things. But that's gonna be fixed. Yeah, turbocharger for it. The intake manifold. Still gotta do all the piping. And here's the exhaust manifold. But yeah, I'll do, I guess, more updates on this later on. Hopefully it gets it running. My car still isn't running, if you guys were wondering. Have a good day.